Hey guys, Lek here. Quick how-to video today. Let's say you just finished your brake pads or you replaced your rotors and brake pads. Do-it-yourself project, take some time, but you feel accomplished. One big step you have to do after doing all this that I never mentioned in my previous videos or showed how to do it is breaking in your brake pads. Brake bedding, it's called. Basically what you need to do is you need to make a good connection between your new pads and new rotors, or even just new pads and your pre-owned used rotors already. There's a step process of doing this. Different manufacturers have different ways of doing it, but the idea is the same. I want to explain to you guys and show you a more universal way. A lot of aftermarket brake pads will not have directions how to do this. This is more for performance pads, but I feel, and I believe a lot of people feel, this should be done for all brake pad changes you do. There's a breaking in period. You can go on actually TireRack.com if you buying specific pads, especially brand names of performance, and they actually will show you the exact procedure. So that's a good site to check. But the way you do it is basically doing a series of stops and goes. You get in your car after you change your brakes, make sure everything's secure and so on, and you start doing rounds. You're gonna start at going 20 miles an hour and do a regular braking stop. You don't even have to fully stop, but almost is fine. You don't want to get somebody hit, behind you, so definitely do it on empty, safe roads. You're gonna do that 3 times. So 3 times, 20, stop, 20, brake, and so on. Then you're gonna do the same thing at 30 miles an hour. So basically you're gonna go 3 times to 30 and you're gonna gently brake. You don't want to slam your brakes, you don't want to brake hard, no emergency or crazy braking, and you're gonna repeat this process all the way up to 30, 40, 50. You can get on a highway, and if it's empty, even do it at higher speeds if needed. But at least if you get up to 50 or 60, that's going to be a good braking process. You're going to get a good connection between your pads and your rotor to get the maximum basically performance of your braking system. Let's say you did your brake changes, you never did this. It's not the end of the world. Your brakes and everything will still be fine, but this is definitely something that's recommended to get the best performance out of your braking system. And that's about it for that. Let me jump in the car and I'll show you guys quickly what that looks like. Another thing I forgot to mention is a lot of manufacturers recommend no hard emergency braking 400 miles. I feel that's impossible for daily drivers. We all panic brake. You have people on their phones now, nobody's paying attention, and people are sudden braking all the time to avoid hitting somebody. But that's the recommended. Obviously, try to do your best to get to that point. You will get the best performance out of your brake pads and maximum life. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, we get in our car now and we can start braking in the brake pads. So get on an open, safe road, make sure there isn't cars around, so nobody hits you in the back. And we're basically gonna start going. I'm gonna get up to 20, and I'm gently gonna brake, almost to a full stop. I'm gonna get up to 20 again now. And same thing, do it again. One more time. So that's our 20s. Now we're going to repeat the same process with 30s, 40s, and 50s. You might need more open road for that, but 30, we are definitely going a little faster now. So that's the highest. I'll go in a city area, and I'll slow down one more time, almost to a stop, and I'll keep doing this. But that's basically it, guys. That's the process. Hope this is helpful to you. Check out Tire Rack, like I mentioned, for the links for the specific brake pads. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Any comments for me or for others below, please. And thanks for watching.